Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to make stargazer lilies. We're going to pipe them on our cupcakes. But first, we're going to fill in the top of our cupcakes with a rosette swirl. Now, these cupcakes are chocolate, and then I filled them with fudge. And now we're piping on our mint buttercream that's slightly tinted green. And I have an open star tip, a large one that I'm using. And I start in the middle and I swirl around. And as you notice, I'm not pressing into the cupcake because that doesn't give us the shape we want. We want to be right above it and kind of let it flow out as we apply pressure and go all the way around. We start in the center of the cupcake and work from there, and then we pipe around that center, and then we release the pressure and pull off. And that gives us our little rosettes on the top. Now for the stargazer lily, I am going to use a 124 piping tip that usually is used for roses. And I'm going to use the narrow end pointing up, and that's the end we're going to lead with. And we go straight out and then come back in. We go straight up and down, and then we pivot and pull it in, and we're applying pressure the whole time as we're piping. And if you notice, there is several different colors in my bag. I like to stripe my bag with different colors of food coloring to give it more interest. If you want to see more about striping bags, I have a video of striping bags when I did my roses. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. But here's the lily. I usually plan for about 6 petals, but it depends on what looks right. And again, we use the narrow end. That's the end we're lead with. We go straight up and then pivot and then come back in. And then straight up, pivot, and come back in. And that's really how we do our petals for our lily. For the center, we're just going to take a piping bag that has a small hole cut into it, and we're just going to pipe some little spots just for the center here. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and please check out my other tutorials.